You could be earning a decent income right now and still be quietly destroying your future wealth. Not because you're bad with money, not because you're lazy, but because of financial mistakes most people never even notice. And the worst part, some of these mistakes feel responsible. Today I'm going to show you 5 financial mistakes hiding in plain sight. Mistakes that quietly drain thousands of dollars from your future. And number 4 might be the most dangerous because almost everyone celebrates it. Mistake number 1. Thinking small purchases don't matter. A coffee here, food delivery there, one more streaming subscription. It feels harmless because each purchase is tiny. But money rarely disappears all at once. It leaks. Hey, race, something controversial. Most people don't have an income problem. They have a leakage problem. If your money disappears before you can even think about saving it, no pay rise will fix that. Have you ever checked your bank statement recently? Not your balance, your transactions, because your money tells a story, and most people are afraid to read it. Mistake number 2, saving whatever is left at the end of the month. That sounds smart, until you realize there's never anything left, because spending expands to fill whatever money is available. Just like gas fills a room. The people who build wealth don't save what's left. They spend what's left. Huge difference. One system hopes. The other system guarantees. Mistake number 3. Treating credit cards like extra income. This is where things get dangerous, because debt feels invisible at first, until future you receives the bill. And trust me, future you is already annoyed. Imagine borrowing money from tomorrow every single day. Eventually tomorrow arrives, and suddenly you're paying for meals you can't even remember eating. But the next mistake is even sneakier, because people think it's a reward. They think it's a sign they've made it. In reality, it's one of the biggest wealth killers on the planet, and we're about to break it down. Mistake number 4, lifestyle inflation. The moment your income goes up, your spending follows it. New phone, better car, more subscriptions, more eating out, and somehow you still feel broke. Have you ever noticed that every pay rise feels amazing for about 3 weeks, then life goes back to normal? That's because humans adapt unbelievably fast. Your dream lifestyle quickly becomes your minimum standard. And this is where things get expensive, because I'm about to show you how 2 people earning exactly the same salary end up with completely different financial futures. One retires comfortably. The other stays stressed for decades. Let's meet Alex. Alex earns $70,000 per year. Every pay rise becomes a new expense. Better gadgets, bigger repayments, more upgrades. Now meet Sarah. Same salary, same opportunities, but every pay rise gets split. Half improves life, half gets invested. Nothing extreme, just consistent. Fast forward 10 years. Alex has memories, which is great, but not much financial progress. Sarah has memories too, and a growing investment portfolio. Hey race, the crazy part. Neither person felt deprived. One simply directed money intentionally. The other spent automatically. Mistake number 5, ignoring compound growth. Because compound growth doesn't look exciting today. It looks exciting 10 years from now. Most people dramatically overestimate what they can do in 1 month and underestimate what they can do in 10 years. That's why consistency beats motivation every single time. So how do you actually avoid these mistakes? You don't need spreadsheets all day. You don't need to become a finance expert. You need simple systems. And that's exactly what we're covering now. The first system: pay yourself first, not last. The moment your income arrives, a percentage should automatically move into savings or investments before you have the chance to spend it. Why? Because willpower is unreliable. Some days you're motivated. Some days you're tired. Systems don't care how you feel. They work anyway. The second system: automate investing. Even small amounts matter. $50 a week. $100 a week. Consistency beats intensity. Every single time. For beginners, simple broad market ETFs can make investing far less complicated. The goal isn't getting rich next week. The goal is building wealth over decades. Third, build an emergency fund. Because life loves surprises. Cars break. Washing machines quit. And somehow it always happens at the worst possible time. But Marcus, I don't earn enough to save. Fair question. Start tiny. The amount matters less than the habit. Because habits grow, and financial confidence grows with them. But Marcus, what if I start investing and the market falls? That's normal. Markets move up and down. Long-term investors focus on years, not weeks. And hey, race, the biggest lesson from this entire video. Most financial mistakes don't look like mistakes. They look normal. That's why they're so dangerous. Tiny decisions, repeated every week, become massive outcomes. That's true whether you're building wealth or accidentally destroying it. Before you leave, take 5 minutes today. Look through your bank transactions. Find one leak. Set up one automatic system. And start building momentum. Remember, this video is for educational purposes only. Everyone's financial situation is different. Consider seeking qualified financial advice in your country before making investment decisions. If this video helped you simplify finance, like and subscribe for simple finance in minutes. This is bite-sized finance.